Think humans have amazing senses? Here are 5 animals with superpowers that put our senses to shame. Sharks, electrosensitivity. Sharks can detect electric fields with special organs called ampullae of Lorenzini, helping them hunt even in complete darkness. Snakes, infrared vision. Some snakes, like pit vipers, can sense heat from warm-blooded animals, allowing them to see prey in the dark. Bees, UV vision. Bees see ultraviolet light, revealing hidden patterns on flowers that guide them to nectar and help with pollination. Elephants, seismic sensitivity. Elephants feel vibrations through their feet, letting them detect distant thunderstorms and even communicate over long distances. Dolphins, echolocation. Dolphins use sound waves to see underwater by interpreting the echoes, helping them hunt and navigate. Animal senses are truly amazing. Which one surprised you most?